Namaste and welcome to Sacred Flames to Career Fame, Unlocking Success with Homa, an Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets Insight. If you are feeling stuck in your career, if promotions seem to pass you by, or you are wondering why your dream job is always just out of your reach, this episode might just be the turning point you have been waiting for. Today, we are diving deep into the ancient Vedic ritual of Homa and how it can be the secret flame that lights up your professional path. I'm your host, and whether you are joining us from the bustling streets of New York City, a cozy cafe in San Francisco, or anywhere across the globe, welcome to your spiritual gateway to success. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right in your career? Working hard, staying up late, constantly learning, but somehow success seems to dodge you. Maybe you have switched jobs, moved cities, or even changed industries, but still no breakthrough. Well, what if I told you that the blocks in your career might not just be in your resume, but in your karma? That's where Homa, a sacred fire ritual from the Vedic tradition, comes in. And at Astrobhava, we specialize in offering online Homa services designed specifically to help people like you break through unseen blockages and align with the energy of success. So, what exactly is Homa? In simple terms, Homa is a fire ritual where sacred offerings are made into a consecrated fire while chanting powerful Vedic mantras. These mantras invoke specific deities and universal energies. But here's the real magic. Homa is not just symbolic. It works energetically, cleansing your aura, removing karmic blocks, and creating a vibrational pathway for growth. Think of it as an energetic detox that clears old baggage and opens new doors. Let me share a quick story. Meet Anna, who was working in an IT company based in Austin. She was talented, hardworking, and had glowing recommendations. But every time she applied for a promotion, someone else would get picked. It became a pattern. Frustrated, she turned to Astrobhava. After analyzing her Nari chart, we discovered that her career was being affected by Shani Dosh, a karmic influence from Saturn. We performed a customized Shani Homa online for her right from our sacred space in India. Within 6 weeks, Anna got an unexpected call from the same company, and her boss told her that she is promoted to a senior role with more salary and perks. Today, she is thriving, grateful, and more aligned with her path than ever before. And she did not have to fly to India or sit through hours of rituals. Everything was done online with complete transparency and spiritual sanctity. Thanks to Astrobhava. Sounds magical, right? But it's not a superstition, it's a spiritual science. At Astrobhava, our rituals are not automated or generic. We follow authentic Agam and Vedic traditions, guided by experienced priests and supported by deep astrological analysis. Our online Homa services are customized to your astrological needs, conducted live with access to recordings, open to global clients, whether you are in Los Angeles or London. And here's a common question we get. Can I really benefit from a Homa ritual even if I'm not physically present? Absolutely. In the Vedic system, intention and vibration matter more than physical location. Our rituals are conducted live and we share the sankalp, that's your name, birth star, and intent, with the priest making you energetically part of the ceremony. Many of our clients from the US and Canada have reported powerful shift after remote Homa sessions. Okay, so what kind of career issues can Homa help with? Great question. Homa can help with a variety of challenges including repeated failures or missed promotions, struggle with job security, creative blocks for entrepreneurs, financial instability, legal issues in business. We select the appropriate Homa based on your chart like Surya Homa for leadership, Shani Homa for karmic blocks, or a Lakshmi Kuber Homa for financial upliftment. You might be wondering, is this right for you? If you are listening to this, chances are yes, because your soul is already seeking answers beyond the ordinary. And at Astrobhava, we bridge the ancient with the modern. We bring you authentic Vedic rituals through the convenience of online Homa, delivered with care, intention, and devotion. So if you are ready to move from burnout to breakthrough, from career chaos to divine clarity, visit us at astrobhava.com, explore our range of online Homa services, book your personalized session today. Let the sacred flames clear your path and call in success you truly deserve. Thank you for joining us today on Sacred Flames to Career Fame, Unlocking Success with Homa. If you felt a spark, share this episode with someone who needs it. Until the next time, stay aligned, stay inspired, and let the universe work its magic.